To submit documents to Binance for account approval, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is verified quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Visit the Binance website and log into your account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to the verification section. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Select the required document type. Choose the type of documents you need to submit. Typically, this includes a government-issued ID like a passport, a driver's license, and proof of address such as a utility bill or bank statement. Make sure to check the specific requirements for your region. Step 4. Upload your document. Follow the prompts to upload clear and legible copies of your documents. Ensure that all information is visible and that the images are in the correct format as specified by Binance. Step 5. Submit your application. After uploading your documents, review all information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your application for review. You will receive a notification regarding the status of your verification within a few days. After completing these steps, you will be on your way to having your Binance account approved. Make sure to monitor your email for any updates or additional requests from Binance.